I received the Pulsetto Lite in May of 2025, and it became one of my fast friends. I use it a lot to stimulate my vagus nerve, regulate my nervous system. Particularly, I love using it after I work out for recovery. I also love using it just around the house when I'm making meals. When I'm working on my computer, it's a great way to bring my stress levels down or to remind me that I can do things without rushing, without stressing out. So I love wearing it around the house and when I'm knitting and when I'm reading. And so when they reached out to me and asked if they could send me the Fit, their newest version, I said of course, and I love the Fit as well. So let's talk in this video about what the differences are between the Lite and the Fit. The biggest difference with the Pulsetto Fit is the actual fit of it. For me, it fits much more snugly. It doesn't move around on my neck, so it feels much more secure. I'm able to move around more, do more things, and I actually do find myself wearing it more. So if you look at this Pulsetto, you'll see that there's this really nice comfort foam part, and it is magnetic and it pulls off. And there are two of them that come with the Fit, so that you can have a snugger fit or a little looser fit. Now, I don't have the biggest neck, but I'm using the smaller one. And it just snaps right in because it's magnetic. The difference with the Pulsetto Lite is you can see the difference. You can see how I'll show you wearing it, but it does move around a little bit more. And this one is a lot more secure. You can also see that the design of the Fit, which is all black, is a little bit more sleek, and also the materials are a little bit more robust. Like for example, at the back you can see how the Fit is a little bit wider than the Lite was. It just feels a little bit more substantial and a little bit better made. The Pulsetto Fit has a longer battery life as well, which makes sense. If the actual structure is bigger, it means there's room for a bigger battery. So you get 12 days of battery with the Fit, and you get 20% more battery in the Fit than the Lite. And it's not just the structure that's different, but the wave simulation is more varied in the Fit, whereas with the Lite, it's a static stimulation. Let's talk about pricing and value. The Lite is less expensive because it has less features, but it's a great device if you're looking to reduce stress, to stimulate your vagus nerve, to regulate your nervous system. Then this is a great entry point, price point, and it's great value. If you're looking for a better fit, that more snug fit so that you'll be able to wear it in more use case scenarios, then this, and you want more options on the app too, then probably the Pulsetto Fit is going to be a better choice for you. So the Lite is a lower price point, and the Fit is more expensive because of the construction and also the features with it. So let's put this Pulsetto Fit on so you can see how it works. You just put it on your neck, pull your hair out of the way, and it fits on both sides of your neck. This is the nice thing about this vagus nerve stimulator, is it's stimulating both sides. And then you use the electrode gel. And I've had this gel since May of 2025, and I still have about a quarter of it left. When you use it, I use about a pea-sized shape on my finger, and then I put it on my neck to begin, and then I put a little bit on the points that are going to connect with my neck. So a pea-shaped amount of electrode gel, put it on your neck where it lies. It's good to do this in a mirror, and then put it on your electrodes, and then you're just going to move it around a little bit. I usually use my camera to make sure it's on. So it's not on, so I'm going to turn it on. So you can see now it's on the green setting. And then I'm going to the app. I'm going to click the Pulsetto here, and I'm going to choose, let's just choose stress. I really like that one. So it scans and it connected, and now this is a different color. It is blue now. And that means it's ready to connect. And then we're going to turn this down. I only need it on one. I only like it on one. And I press start, and then this should turn to purple, I believe. So now this is on and it's running and it's giving me these little pulses, like little tiny electric pulses. And I think because I've used it so many times and I experience the benefits, immediately when it comes on, it signals to my brain that it's time to relax. And I'll notice that I get this relaxation response because I'll have things like noticing a longer exhale or a deep sigh out, or I'll hear my stomach gurgling. So that's how I know it's working. When we complete the session, it gives you a little check mark. When you've done 2 in a day, it gives you a loop that closes. So I'll just stop this and show you. You can see, like on these days, the half circle means I've done 1 and the full circle means I've done 2 sessions in a day. If you are looking for a better fit that is more snug, it doesn't move around, and that has more use case scenarios as a result, also a longer battery life, then you are looking at the Fit. If you want something that is more value-based and is easier for you to get into it in terms of price, then this is the Lite, and it is just as good at stress reduction and vagus nerve stimulation and regulating your nervous system. So I will have all discount codes and links below for you. And if you have any questions about this, feel free to ask in the comments or also share your experience with the Pulsetto.